first workshop co-organized by UNWTO and APU and JICA. UNWTO now put effort on human development, so we are very happy to have this wonderful symposium supported by APU and JICA, and we are very appreciate with APU professors and APU students. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Ariana. I'm from the UNWTO Regional Support Office based in Nara, Japan. It's been such an honor working with APU and JICA to organize this event for the students. We had a great turnout and it couldn't have been possible without their support. We look forward to doing this again next year and bringing in more diversity and more students from all over Japan. Thank you.